Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a platformer game. This video is special because this channel has got 200 plus subscribers. So let's make it. First thing first, delete the scratch cat. I've got to tell you, we're going to make an Among Us platformer. So let's go to Paint and let's go upload the sprite. We're going to find my Among Us character. Here. Click on it. We'll name it player. So we're going to make another sprite with costumes. We're going to take this rectangle. We'll make it black. No outline. We'll just draw a simple square. There. We'll copy paste this square. 0, 0. There. So we'll copy paste it. Paste it here. Copy it again. And do this until the platformer is made. So copy paste. Use arrow keys to move it a little. Copy paste. Here. Add 2 more blocks. Copy paste. And yeah. So in here we'll make the first level pretty easy. We'll duplicate these again. I'll take 4. Paste it. And put it there. We'll take 3 here. Paste. And turn it around. Okay. And we'll put it right here. Yes. Wait. Okay, there. So now we're going to make another 4. Copy paste. Going to put it here. There you go. Now let's go to name it. Let's say map. Going to costume, we'll change it to number 1. And let's go to player. Code. So when green flag clicked, we'll make a bunch of variables. for this part only, type X, Y, and that's it for now. We'll set X and Y to 0. We'll make another variable. We'll call it X spawn. X spawn. This one only. And then Y spawn for this byte only. And then we'll set the X spawn and Y spawn to, let's put the Among Us character here. It's here. So we'll drag a go to X, then -2, 1, 2, -1, 3, and then go to variables, change this to X spawn, Y spawn, and then we'll take forever. We'll make a new block. We'll call it go, run without screen refresh. We'll put go here, and we'll define go. So we'll go to if sensing key right arrow pressed, then go to variables. We'll change X by 1. We're going to duplicate this. Go to left arrow, change it by -1. Go to operators. Now we'll go to motion. We'll change X by X. And we'll set the X to the times sign. Duplicate this. X times 0.85. Just that out. So now you can move it. And yeah. So we're going to, at the very beginning, we want it to point in direction 90, and when in here, we'll point in direction 90, point in direction -90, and we'll go to look, we're going to motion, we're going to set the rotation style left right. So let's see. And there you go. Our Among Us character can move. So please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next part. So this part is just about the X movement and the making map. So bye.